In this segment, you will learn how to apply chip guard texture using Fusor 804. Benefits of using Fusor 804 include matches OEM chip guard texture, paintable immediately or up to 4 days, easy application.
Fusor 804 allows the technician to match the OEM chip guard texture exactly because it provides a textured surface underneath the paint system as done in the factory. Begin by applying masking tape and masking paper to protect the adjacent areas of the repair. Apply a 2-component epoxy primer to all bare metal areas if necessary and allow to fully cure. Then, scuff sand the primer or e-coat with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper or a regular scuff pad. Be careful not to sand through to the bare metal. Remove dust and debris from the chip guard application area using compressed air. Carefully cut off the leading edge of the Fusor 804 cartridge tip. Be careful not to remove the threaded shaft. Purge out a small amount of sealer. This ensures all trapped air within the cartridge is removed. Install the Fusor 804 cartridge into the Fusor sprayable seam sealer and coating dispensing gun, stock number 312. And adjust the air pressure feed in the range of 25 to 60 psi. Then spray out a small amount of sprayable seam sealer to attain the chip guard texture and pattern desired for a factory match. Begin the application by applying Fusor 804 to the chip guard texture area. Coat the panel with the Fusor 312 gun by utilizing typical paint shop spray gun techniques and maintaining a gun distance of about 6 inches. Pay special attention to make sure the chip guard repair area is completely coated with Fusor 804 product. Then, carefully remove masking tape and masking paper. Fusor 804 will skin over in less than 1 hour and will fully cure in approximately 24 hours, depending on the thickness of the applied material. Prime and refinish per the paint manufacturer's recommendations, immediately or within 4 days.
This completes the chip guard texture application procedure using Fusor 804. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.